Good evening and welcome again to Lose Your Blues Live. The guest today is a very special friend of mine, and he's been an inspiration for me, though I have not known him for very long time. Let's welcome Praful Baveja. I will give a little bit of introduction before we actually have him talking with us right now. So today we will talk about Praful's life lessons. We will talk about diversity and inclusion. We will also talk about impact on mental health because of diversity. Praful is the founder of Vivid Diversity Fair. He's a marketer, innovator. He's a diversity and inclusion evangelist and an academic. Praful Baweja has worked on 600 plus brand campaigns and won several industry awards. Across his career of 2 decades at organizations like Times of India, Viscraft, Ticket Please, and 70 EMG to name a few. Vivid Diversity Fair and 6 Degrees LGBTQ Growth Network are his community initiatives. So, welcome, Praful. Thank you so much for accepting to come and talking to me live on Facebook.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. And I'm so glad we are having a conversation, even if it is with so many other people also involved. But we get to have this conversation that is a great, let's say, opportunity and also catching up, two in one, double whammy
Yes,
happening. And it is meaningful. It is about work that involves a whole lot of lives. Uh, you know, being a doctor for you it's in some other way, for me it's in some other way, but we all touch many lives in our own capacities.
absolutely. Well
So
said.
this is happening.
You know, when I was younger in school, I would always wonder why we have to color in a box in my. So I'm an artist as well, like you know. So and they used to give these drawings, which used to be a circle or a box, and they would tell us that please color in the box. And I would always wonder, you know, why in the box. And probably at today's topic, we'll touch base on that, you know, probably how to broaden our perspective, how to bring in that difference in our lives. So Praful, tell us a little bit about, yeah, sure, yeah,
So I'm taking just a minute's break because somebody who's beyond the binary of male and female, because they are my lifeline
yeah,
and they're my annadatta. They're here.
okay, okay,
And I have to just attend to that. Like male and female binary, gender as a premise, like you were saying.
yeah,
We are going to be talking about that.
yeah,
And that is the premise where beyond a box, beyond maybe square pegs, round holes, beyond all that we shape things into as a gender, male, female, whatever that we know. We are going to shake all of that up,
yeah,
but in a minute. So you
yeah,
have to give me a minute.
yeah. So I think till Praful comes back, you have me online, and basically I want to know areas or experiences in your life, guys, where you've tried to do something different or be something different, and you have been judged and questioned on it. If you've had that experience, please put. Experienced in the chat, and then we'll know how many of you have really experienced those things as well. So also the other thing what always amazes me is you know, if you look at our 5 fingers, all 5 fingers do not have the same length, right? And it is for a purpose. It is not because probably our creator didn't like having similar aspects with us, but it is for a purpose, you know. They all have to come together to become that particular strength. So we will talk about this a little bit. And hi Medha, hi Christina, Anjali, Sugam. Thank you so much for coming on live with us. Also, as a lot of you have come back to me asking what is diversity really, So, a diversity as a term is used a lot in uh, what do you say in organizations. However, in a common language, if I have to talk about it, it is the difference that we all be, right? And the allowance for a person to choose uh, the gender orientation or sexual orientation in the society, right? So typically that's what diversity is about. And I'm a big reader of Stephen Covey, and I was reading one of his books where he said that the strength lies in diversity, in differences and not in similarity. So that was one of the reasons why we thought we want to take up this topic. Hi, Mira. Yeah, thanks for coming down. So, yeah, also put in any of the questions that you may have, because I know that Proful runs a hiring platform as well for diverse genders and diverse populations. We will talk about it more when he comes back. Yeah. So I think we'll take a 2 minute pause as well, to let him come back on the call and then live stream. So please don't go away. Uh, just stay. Also, I wanted a few suggestions. Now, since Profil has given me this time to have a chat with you, a lot of people will also watch it post the live. So I want you to give me what would you like to really see on our platform going forward. Uh, I have three stories coming up, and I want you all to put in the chat for me. Out of these three stories, which one would you like to see? So the first story is of a friend basically who's had a heart transplant, and he wants to talk more about organ donation to all of y'all. That is one story that we have on our upcoming days. Then I have a social influencer as well. I will not give out the names yet, as of yet. However, she's a social influencer. Plus, she is a fitness expert. She's a young girl who is working in an MNC, but also uh, influencing people by doing these workout challenges. She has over thousands of followers on Instagram. Plus, she has many stories of people reaching out to her of changing their and transforming their bodies, not only their bodies but also their confidence levels, right? So that is the second speaker that we have in line, and the third speaker is an author of a very renowned book. He's an international author based out of Europe. So do let me know that which one of the three would you want to see first, and we will schedule it accordingly. Also, hi Siddhika, hi Nilesh, hi. So also we will open the platform in case you all want specific professions to look at. Like we have seen an IPS officer, we have seen a pilot, and if there are specific, we have seen a lawyer. If there are specific professions that you would want to explore, we want to look at that front as well. Of course, as a personal initiative, because I am very, very passionate about financial management. I really feel that in our younger days, when we are in school, we don't have life skill educations. That's my point of view, and I want to make that clear. So when we were in school, we didn't have life skills like financial management, and we didn't have life skills like knowing what the balance sheet looked like. We studied history, geography, but we never studied about investments. How to invest your money, how to make more money, what is cost saving. Uh, I also believe for survival, all these skills are really important. So I want to call in a financial advisor on the platform as well. I've not been able to figure out which one would be the best to be able to impart that kind of knowledge. If you'll know someone, hi Saurabh. So if you'll know someone who is good and who can give all of us that information, and it's a learning for me as well, please put a direct message to me or leave a message on the group, and I will make sure I will get to them, and get them on the platform. Uh, and give me few options, because then I know if that person is not available, then who else can come on the platform. So there are a lot of life skills. Then the other aspect I'm very passionate about is digital transformation. Now, when I say digital transformation, I mean, how to go about streaming. Like when I started this streaming, it was not so easy for me really, because this is not the core job that I do. However, it was very interesting because it was a new skill. So, in fact, for uh, a lot of you who do not know, Facebook also offers this mentor services. Okay, so if you go and search on Facebook, there's a page which offers a mentor service, and I actually signed up on that. I have a mentor, so thank you, Austin, if you're watching this. Of course, we've not met and we've never spoken, but he does give me suggestions on how should I be streaming, what kind of laptops I should be using, what edits you should be using, and all these small nuances which normally in a day-to-day kind of a situation is not possible. Also, we have Praful back. I'll just take him on the live platform. So, thank you, Praful, for giving me that break. Yeah. So, whatever
We,
I had to rant, I ranted with all my audiences.
so we done with the mental health checkup of the day, right? So
Ah,
we do not need to go there. We are in good shape. As soon as the host is in good shape, everybody else is, right? We are
yes.
done with that.
Totally, totally. So, Praful, tell us your journey. How did everything begin? How do we have this unique person, Praful, in front of us, who's contributed to so many lives? Yeah, you're
So
unstuck.
internet seem to
You're
be
unstuck
playing.
now.
So internet is playing bad games with us supposedly today. It is trying to be naughty, as the in word is in news channels. But uh, so we were talking about beyond the binary, right? We're
Yes.
talking about beyond male and female.
Yeah.
Um, so diversity, which you asked earlier. So LGBTQ, lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, questioning, curious, whatever part of
Yes.
it. Sexualities, yeah. Sexuality is always about gender,
Right.
right? And being a doctor, you would know that genitals is
Hmm.
what is looked upon as sex generally
Right.
of the person.
Right.
Medical terminology XYZ में
Yeah.
sex,
Yeah.
sexuality, gender conversation में
Hmm.
that's the way that it is addressed, right?
Hmm.
For a lay person generally फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है, आप
Hmm.
mix कर लेते हो, you
Hmm.
substitute one against another and you use it because
Hmm.
हमारे सोसाइटी में डिस्टिंक्शन सिखाया नहीं गया है, राइट? स्कूल
Yeah.
में इट्स एवरीबॉडी सो स्क्वीमिश अबाउट थिंग्स लाइक दिस बिकॉज सेक्स एजुकेशन, ओ माय
Hmm.
गॉड, आई विल बी ऑकवर्ड, तो बच्चे को नहीं सिखाएंगे,
Ah, exactly. In
right?
fact, I was just, when you took a break, I was just telling people that, I always felt that in school, some of the life skills are totally missing, you know. And I think one of the skills which you just mentioned was sexual education.
No, like any difference, any kind of uh, uniqueness that somebody else has, it's rounded off.
Yeah.
Everybody is made to be so similar in most of the education systems, unfortunately,
Hmm.
is that uniqueness or what individual strength that anybody brings, that is not celebrated, that is not looked upon as something that is welcome. उसको हमेशा threat देखेंगे, उसको हमेशा
Hmm.
as something that is not contributing assume करके चलेंगे, उसको हमेशा
Hmm.
you will see it, you see unknown as a threat, period.
Hmm.
एंड थ्रेट से उसका चेंज होने का जो रूम और स्पेस है
Hmm.
कि once you know it, it might no longer look like a threat.
Yeah.
Truth is it was never a threat.
Right.
वो अलग चीज है. तो somebody's sexuality, any
Hmm.
which way is their business. That is the attraction that they feel towards somebody.
Hmm.
It is a physical attraction, right?
Right. Right.
अब उसके लिए आपके बॉडी में एक्स एक्स पार्ट होना, वाई पार्ट होना, नहीं होना,
Hmm.
आपका अपीयरेंस, देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु आर एंड्रोजेनस, लाइक
Yeah.
आई नो पीपल हु कीप दाढ़ी एंड वेयर अ साड़ी,
Yeah.
या
Yeah.
उसकी चॉइस है. अब
Yeah.
उसको एग्जैक्टली
Absolutely.
आपको मेल या फीमेल में ही फिट करना है, वो
Hmm.
आपका परसेप्शन है,
Yeah.
राइट? सो नो मैटर व्हाट द पर्सन सेक्सुअल ऑर्गन्स आर, आपको
Hmm.
कपड़ों में कभी जिंदगी में नहीं दिखेंगे या
Right.
सोसाइटी,
Right.
राइट?
True.
Technically that's not how we are conditioned as humans, right? We always wear one layer of clothing that is
Yeah.
covering the bare necessities, right? So mostly it is on assumption कि आप assume करते हो और from rest of the appearance और rest of the grooming कि इंसान का gender क्या है, masculine,
Hmm.
feminine,
Hmm.
attribute, gender roles.
Yeah.
एंड मेल, जो हम जिस चीज को मेल बोलते हैं, हम जिस चीज को
Hmm.
फीमेल बोलते हैं, हम समझते हैं कि वही है,
Hmm.
वही मेल होना होता है,
Hmm.
वही फीमेल होना होता है.
Hmm.
और मेल और फीमेल का कभी ओवरलैपिंग, फ्लूइड, मिक्स एंड मैच नहीं होता है, बिकॉज ब्लैक और व्हाइट के बीच में 98% ग्रे तो कुछ होता नहीं है,
Yeah.
राइट?
Actually. Yeah.
बिकॉज एक एब्सोल्यूट मैस्कुलिन होगा और एक
Hmm.
एब्सोल्यूट फेमिनिन होगा और बीच में 98% कुछ नहीं है.
रियलिटी ऐसा होता है क्या?
हो
ये
सकता है क्या?
वही तो.
That's why
Life
what
is.
happens when there
Yeah.
are
Right.
women who are sporty,
Hmm.
and if their hymen ruptures,
Yeah.
वर्जिन नहीं है. Oh my God,
I know.
मेडल जीता था स्टेट लेवल
Hmm.
का.
Yeah.
अब उसको फेमिनिटी प्रूव करने के 50 चीजों के हिसाब से उनको इतनी फीमेल नहीं लगेगी और इतनी क्वालिफाइड फीमेल नहीं लगेगी.
Hmm.
दिस इज अ मोटा स्ट्रक्चर. सेक्सुअलिटी
Right.
उसके अंदर छोटा स्ट्रक्चर.
Right.
वो ऑड वन आउट लगता है बिकॉज वो आपकी समझ में नहीं आता है,
Hmm.
एंड आपकी समझ में नहीं आया इसलिए वो थ्रेट है,
Hmm.
assumed already, बिकॉज हमको जंप करना ऑलरेडी, to jump to conclusions is something that is not discouraged,
Hmm. Right.
right? Judgments are not discouraged in our society.
Right.
uh, as a child when we are saying ये है तो ये है, वो लॉजिक का पैटर्न माना जाता है जब वो जजमेंटल भी हो रहा है.
Hmm.
लॉजिकल डिडक्शंस नहीं है बहुत सारे,
Right.
बहुत सारे जजमेंट्स हैं, बहुत सारे
Right.
एनालाइज करने के नाम पे खुद के डेफिनेशंस हम
Hmm.
डाल देते हैं चीज़ों पे.
Hmm.
तो आप एक बार अगर जाके डिक्शनरी मीनिंग पढ़ो या फिर आप एक्चुअली पूछ लो.
Hmm.
We also look down upon asking people what the true thing is, because Google जब तक नहीं था तब तक सब शर्म के मारे मर रहे थे.
हाँ.
Nobody had answers. वो लोग इतना लाइब्रेरी,
Exactly.
इतना पॉपुलर तो था नहीं कि लाइब्रेरी में सारे के सारे एनसाइक्लोपीडिया और सारे के सारे टेल मी व्हाई और सारे के सारे सब कुछ
Yeah.
लेके everybody was daily doing the number of
Reading it. Yeah.
searches that we are doing on
Exactly.
Google,
Yeah.
जितना हम लोग आज कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
तो विकिपीडिया के पहले भी दुनिया में ये ज्ञान था ना सारा का सारा.
Yeah.
People still had sex, people still
Yeah.
had attraction, people still assumed what their own gender and gender perception is.
Right.
कितने masculine, कितने feminine, कितना क्या, कितना.
Hmm.
World was any which way there. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि 19 क्या बोलते हैं 1970 में या 1920 में या 1880 में किसी की सेक्सुअलिटी नहीं होती थी या किसी का जेंडर अलग होता था एंड ऑल ऑफ इट. It was all there since time
Yeah.
immemorial, right?
True. True. True.
Uh, somebody felt the need to acknowledge it.
True.
Others felt कि my God, it is so heavy. मैं ये conversation अपने generation के आगे नहीं लेके जाऊँ.
Yeah.
At some point of time, that shame came in, and shame is instilled. Shame is not a human emotion.
Yeah.
So there's a whole lot of layers in this.
Yeah, one after the other.
Yes, yes.
So, Praful, before we begin the discussion and go in it deeper, I wanted to tell people a little bit about you. So, because some of them are from Bombay, but some of them are not from Bombay. We have a few people from Dubai, few people from US, one from Canada. So, I want you to tell them a little bit about you and what kind of work do you do. And
so, by the day, I am a marketing innovation consultant. I majorly do a whole lot of work which takes people to the desired objectives as far as numbers, positioning, branding, conversations, all that is concerned. So, and there a whole lot of tech comes in, where this whole award that I mentioned, this year we won Wow Award Asia, 4 of them, 3 of them for a single person team that I have, gold, silver, and bronze for interactive technology in virtual reality, augmented reality, and a whole lot of stuff that is pretty advanced put in this conversation, because connected healthcare में pacemaker का monitoring का insights and data US healthcare में कैसे जाता है, कितना वो $200 कितनी बार बचता है एक ट्रिप का, and उसका animation and object recognition से किस तरह से display होता है, that is a chunky conversation to hear. But I am as boring as that when it comes to the day job. It is too much of study, but too much of polishing it and presenting it to the world in, you know, as if it is IFA awards. And I've worked on IFA also when I was in Mistral. But so it is presenting information in newer ways, in more exciting ways. And yeah, so that's something that is there. Apart from that, I have a social organization, 2 of them that you have mentioned. 6 Degrees is the LGBT growth network. So what happens is opportunities are not given to women as a gender per se. How many women CEOs do you know in India, Dubai, Canada, wherever that everybody is? How many women CEOs?
Yeah, that's always a talk of organization. Diversity is a subject.
डाइवर्सिटी बोल दिया, बट डाइवर्सिटी का मीनिंग कहाँ कहाँ पे किस किस तरह से आता है, रेशियल, जेंडर, क्लास, कास्ट, लाइक देयर इज सो मच डाइवर्सिटी इन लाइफ across. And neurodiversity is there, where people like, I have invisible illness, I have a mental health issues of a certain kind that are taken care of. Obviously, one works on it, one looks for help once you know of it, but which also makes you no less productive than anybody else on the day that you are not, like when you are not sick, you are functional, right? Body है वैसे mind का भी same है, right? The day that it is not affected, it is functioning in the manner that it is functioning. So people don't look at it like that. There's a whole lot of taboo that, my God, depression, my God, ADHD, my God, bipolar, mood swings होते हैं इसको, and they're intense. Too much, no?
Yeah. I know it's too much to handle sometimes. The judgments that come with a lot of different approaches is immense.
Perception at the end of the day, right? Like we say, point of view. So it's a point of view. Unless you give it a certain weightage and a certain framework, ऑटोमेटिकली उसमें असाइन होके नहीं आता है. हम हमारे दिमाग के, हमारे लाइफ की एक जगह उस चीज को देते हैं, एंड that is maybe a no-go corner for us for various reasons, so we don't want to go there.
Yeah.
It can be gender, can be sexuality, can be mental health, can be a whole lot of things. These are taboo topics.
Yeah.
डिनर टेबल पे साइलेंस हो जाता है जैसे ये इस किस चीज की बात आएगी, बट प्राइम टाइम टीवी पे शक्ति एक अस्तित्व विल प्ले And my
Yeah.
dadi and nani both see, hi, bichari, kinnar hai. And they have taken a woman who looks like dream come true, Rubena, and I know the lady also,
Actors there.
actress, and they've taken everybody who's not from the community, done zilch research about it,
Yeah, yeah.
and
I agree with you because I noted that too. As a doctor, when you watch such series, and I don't watch the series, but I watched it for the accuracy of data provided. But I'm
as
sorry to say,
as a doctor, didn't you see Scotch Brite wala Scotch Brite ka that thing leke they had made what was it? What do you do to resurrect a person when you give the
yeah,
charge?
CPR, yeah, yeah.
CPR ki heart pe when you are giving the
Ah, okay,
that
yeah,
they had used Scotch Brite ka to these things in a Bengali serial, Krishna
yeah,
Kamal something mein.
okay,
And they were showing. I have written. Oh, okay. By the way, I have written serials. I have done that as well. I have written about 250 odd episodes of television shows. So I've done that part also.
you're like a multi-talented personality.
I'm just a workaholic.
Yeah, yeah.
That's it. I'm just a workaholic.
So tell me, before we lose the thread, tell me, what does your community do? Because you started that and we just digressed from it.
So 6 degrees help people get in touch with each other, A, without the labels of
Okay.
where they are coming from in terms of sexuality, etc. It helps people get jobs. We meet once a month in Mumbai. Goa and Pune have also been done. It's
Okay.
a peer network. We have WhatsApp group, we have a Facebook group, um, and growth conversation. Whatever
Hmm.
helps each other, enables each other, that is there. Uh, we do those. So right from having a checklist
Hmm.
of hey time management when you're doing career search, तो हर रोज
Hmm.
कितना देर लगाना आपको CVs पे is
Hmm.
healthy. After
Okay.
what point of time it becomes absolutely detrimental because आपके वो एक certain zone में जाता है जहाँ पे productivity becomes zero because
Yeah.
60 मिनट के ऊपर एक blank पे देखने के बाद में आपको क्या समझ में आएगा,
Hmm.
which everybody knows as a idea, but किसी हमेशा लिख के देना पड़ता है, नहीं 15 मिनट से जरा मत करो, ब्रेक लो,
Right.
ओके कुछ और देख लो, चलो blah blah blah. So things like that are there, experts are there that we speak to within.
Hmm.
So to give you an example, we'll have a Rohit Bal
Hmm.
and a Sunit Verma and people who are out
Hmm.
in fashion world and who are at top of their game and blah. That's part of the community. And then you'll have an intern जिसको कोई खड़ा नहीं कर रहा है because the person looks like a next door what to say effeminate boy who has no power over you or somebody who's supposedly a masculine looking girl
Hmm.
जिसका आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है,
Right.
तो आप
Hmm.
उनको ना ढंग से बात करते हो, स्टिग्मा के साथ में रहते हो,
Hmm.
बायस रखते हो, काम पे
Hmm.
मजाक उड़ाते हो, उसके कंफ्यूजन के बारे में बात करते हो when the person might
Hmm.
not be confused.
Yeah. So
So
just via the platform, since will be watched by people who are live right now and maybe later by
hmm,
on the replay.
hmm.
Who all people are eligible to avail services from 60? Just
So
in
obviously,
case someone from audience wants to reach out to you.
there is no criteria per se at all. Your
Okay.
willingness to have a dialogue with the community is enough. One. B, anybody who's phobic can also come and have a dialogue because if they're willing to have a dialogue, at least we can share what the thing is, right?
Yes.
Um, Somebody from the community more than welcome.
Yeah.
Somebody not from the community wants to know about LGBT things and want to understand something like this, we are happy to have that because um, end of the day मैं इसके साथ नहीं खेलूंगा और ये ऐसा है दूर से बोलना
Hmm.
as a child when you're
Yeah.
in nursery play school,
Yeah.
even then it is a silly thing to you.
Hmm.
Grown ups के लिए तो बहुत अलग बात है,
Hmm.
right? नहीं, मैंने सुना है कि वो रबर चुराता है इसलिए मैं उससे बात नहीं करूंगा is thieving. बट अगर मैंने सुना है कि उसको कॉफी पसंद है इसलिए मैं उससे बात नहीं करूंगा बिकॉज मेरे को चाय पसंद है, that is weird, no? So if somebody says that मैं उससे इसलिए बात नहीं करूंगा बिकॉज उसको लड़के पसंद है या उसको लड़की पसंद है या उसको XYZ पसंद है,
Yeah.
तुम्हारा क्या चेंज हुआ उसमें? तुम्हारी चॉइस के ऊपर उसने कुछ नहीं कहा, इंसान ने कुछ नहीं, बट दूर से आई एम सिटिंग एंड आई एम जजिंग एंड हाउ डज दैट हेल्प एनीबॉडी, यू नो, बिकॉज उसका प्रोफेशनल ब्रिलियंस कुछ और होगा इंसान का,
Yeah.
उसका एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड कुछ और होगा, म्यूजिकल टेस्ट कुछ और होगा, आर्ट एस्थेटिक कुछ और होगा, एंड आपने उसको एक सिंगल अट्रैक्शन के जो आप
पैरामीटर है,
हाँ, so you have just
जज कर लिया.
इतना छोटा लेबल लगा के रख दिया, खत्म. वो बॉक्स दैट यू वर सेइंग ना कि इतना ही कलर करना है, इसी हिसाब से इंसान को डिफाइन करना है, तो
इसमें रखो.
यही
So
रखो.
this brings me to one more question, Praful, and probably on our personal space we've never discussed this, but I want to know what are the kind of challenges you faced. I have always seen you as a strong, outgoing, ready to fight for everybody kind of a guy. Uh, but I want to know, what are the kind of challenges you faced in your journey and how did you overcome? Because where you are now, right now, I think a lot of people idealize you and look up to you, uh, the way you are. Yeah, tell us.
Funnily, you know, a whole lot of us try to become who we didn't have in our young age, right? And that is the way kindness, or even becoming a person of a certain kind of skill set, of a certain kind of know-how, of a certain kind of warmth, is it's done. It is also done in a certain manner. So today, if I have Vivid, which is Mumbai's first diversity job fair, which is for women as a gender, opportunities are very different, and sensitization right from POSH guidelines, which is the sexual harassment policy, uh, to under which in no boardroom, in no circumstance you can be discriminated or harassed or blah blah blah, and that is essential for everybody to have. And something as simple as menstrual hygiene. There are enough organizations that spend like पानी की तरह पैसा on tissue, yeah, but they don't have washrooms में lid वाले dustbins, and they don't have envelopes. How are women going to dispose? एक तो तुम लोग पैड रखोगे नहीं या फिर नैपकिन रखोगे नहीं फ्लोर पे, बिकॉज एडमिन को पैड रखने पड़ गए औरतों के लिए 50% पॉपुलेशन के लिए. मतलब ये तो मौत ही आ जाएगी, है ना. ये तो बहुत बड़ा, ये तो वर्ल्ड इज गोइंग टू एंड, बिकॉज हाँ, बिकॉज जितना जितना वो टिश्यू पेपर यूज हो रहा है सेम हाइजीन के लिए, उसकी जगह पैड यूज हो जाएगा. माय गॉड, राइट. तो ये तो इतना बड़ा डिफरेंस, कल्चरल शिफ्ट हो जाएगा कंपनी का. पीपल डोंट सी how at workplace humanizing something as basic as this, which is so intrinsic, is stigmatizing a whole gender out. And if women don't have it, you think LGBT people, people of different caste, people of different class, people of different this thing will have it. If the girl in who's your colleague, you can't allow them to just be themselves and not worry about not staining it. If you're not that human, आप बाकी कहाँ से extra लाओगे? Because that time is, for me, I can talk about it because mansplaining के opportunities मिलते हैं. औरतें ये बात करती भी नहीं है बाहर जाके, भी तो ले क्या करना है, मैं तो हर महीना खुद डील करती हूँ, मैं खुद फेस कर रही हूँ, तो मैं बाहर कहाँ से जरा बोलूँ. And apart from Gynax, a whole lot of people don't talk about.
Yeah, they don't talk about.
Yeah. But women will talk about LGBT issues and become protectors of LGBT people. Because उसको पीरियड टॉक नहीं करने पड़ रहा है, उसको बाकी सब कुछ करने का सपोर्टिंग एडवोकेट करने मिल रहा है. So these things work like this. Somebody's advocate for something. I will speak about gender. I'll always speak about gender because as soon as somebody is sensitized about gender, they understand there is a certain dynamic of being considerate. Varna men would have been still cavemen. Yeah. Men overall would still be uncouth, will still not care of each other, still be killing each other with everything that they get their hands into, not creating art and not creating music and all of it, because inspiration के नाम पे वो masculine trait जो है ना 1% एकदम dark वाला, that is not what creates the world.
Yeah.
Men don't have that ability to even produce life by themselves for a very wise reason that universe in some way has had. So there is a mix of both. We should always look at it. Vivid ke liye, we speak about people with disability, we speak about elderly, we speak about LGBT, we speak about women, as seminar, as companies that are coming and hiring, how there is a different requirement for people with disability. I use that term with a very matter of fact manner, but an accountant in wheelchair is what I will call somebody who has mobility challenge, because the skill comes first. The disability does not define who they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we should all get more sensitized to these conversations. These Vivid offers that. It was Mumbai's first. Now we will do digital aspect of it,
Amazing.
and we got a whole lot of press. We got a whole lot of companies, like from IBM to Godrej to a whole, like, many companies that came, that participated, and we had about 150 people with disability mingling
Wow.
with recruiters, with people from other community. Nobody discriminated against LGBT people. Nobody discriminated against women who were Dalit. Nobody discriminated against anybody who was of any class, etc. People with disability completely did not have a discrimination as a criteria remotely.
Hmm. So you all are doing amazing work.
So
Amazing.
it's eye opening. It is
Yeah.
amazing
It is.
to
It is.
know this, to know parents who try for children who have motor disability to get placed and to have a stable job,
Hmm.
and them going that extra mile. And yeah, there's so many
Hmm.
stories. Somebody who's an amputee who has
Hmm.
uh, uh, gone to Khardungla cycling.
Hmm. Hmm.
If that doesn't inspire, what will?
Yeah.
Somebody who's critically ill is traveling along with that amputee because they also want
Hmm.
to go and show that, hey, surviving
Hmm.
every day is great.
Hmm.
And what are we crying about?
Yeah. Yeah, I know. So, Praful, I also have Nishikesh, who's our regular audience, saying that it's an amazing insight for them. So, I think a lot of times things are not talked about. Now, I also want to, so you talk to us about those problems. Now, you tell us also how you would like to see the society changing. You know, just give us few steps of how people at large can be a little more inclusive in their day-to-day lives.
Inclusivity is nothing more than being considerate, ना?
Hmm.
जब आप दरवाजा अपने पीछे वाले के लिए खुला रखते हो,
Hmm.
that is being inclusive for somebody, no? Because
Hmm.
you're caring.
Hmm.
When you shut down a tap so that water does not go waste and somebody else can drink
Hmm.
or wash hands or do whatever, you're being considerate.
Right.
You're
Right.
thinking beyond your own self. You're not being
Right.
just selfish. But there are
Right.
all kind of people in the world.
Right.
If we can look at, acknowledge, and work according to people who are different from us,
Hmm.
and not be averse to that, and not just
Hmm.
shut our minds, our hearts,
Hmm.
our whole conversational space about it,
Hmm. Hmm.
and not just look at it in one way.
Hmm.
Because somebody who's a man and looks after his children, when did that become a joke? And when there is a woman who's single out of whatever, and if they are beyond a certain age, when did that become a joke? Are we even seeing where we become petty, shallow, intolerant, where we become mean to others, and where we don't see how it affects a whole lot of people, your words, your actions, your worldview, and what you are consuming and what you are promoting every day. The day that you don't make that snide remark, the day that you don't you know say something else on the face of somebody and something else at the back, you're being inclusive. एक जगह पे नहीं, 10 जगह पे, when you are actually going and having a conversation with the army veteran, and not just saying that nahi nahi jai jawan jai kisan as a nara, but you are actually asking भाई तेरे को पेंशन लेने के लिए कितने चक्कर काटने पड़ते हैं.
Hmm.
You're being sensitive, you're being inclusive of an army veteran that day, when you're actually looking at their life saying that नहीं मेरे को दारू पीने की प्रॉब्लम है बिकॉज मैंने इतनी वायलेंस देखी है जिंदगी में कि मेरे को हर रोज उसको भुलाना पड़ता है. That's a mental health issue that I have, and that's why I'm an alcoholic. That's the truth of somebody's life. Rather than saying नहीं बेवड़ा है पहले, अब पहले he was in army, ऐसे ही होते हैं, they are like this. Look beyond the obvious label, look beyond the very obvious single bundling that we do of people. But people are people. People are not conversational labels. So let's just give them that. That's inclusive.
So what I pick up from this, that's my key
I
takeaway from
see
this
you.
discussion. No, I was saying my key takeaway from this discussion would be that before judging or concluding anything, take a pause, go talk to the person, and don't label people based on one choice they have in life or one choice they make, because everybody is open to making choices. It's their life at the end of the day, and one quality or one parameter never defines an entire person.
And your understanding of that definition might be very different from what their lived reality
Absolutely.
is. Because I know all kind of queer people. Somebody like Duty Chand, who is making the nation proud, is a lesbian. And I know gay men who have been together for 35 years.
Yeah.
These stereotypes of no, every gay man will be interested in you. Sorry, most of them are vain. They will want to go for Hrithik Roshan. You don't look like that. So stop being weird about it, because they are not going to be interested in you, most likely.
Yeah.
So तुमको कोई खतरा नहीं है. Like men get this gay man around me. Like, not even remotely interested. तुम अपना काम करो भाई. Kind of. Like, and then they get offended that अरे he's gay and he did not get attracted to me. I'm like, I didn't have moral obligation to be attracted to you out of everything. If you had enough like material to for me to be attracted, ho sakta tha maybe, but work on your personality. Individually, it's not there. So what to do? Like, people are very weird about these things. Please go beyond your definitions of things. Please learn more. Please have more dialogue. Please grow.
So we have a question from our audience, Hira. She's asking that can you talk a little bit about how families and how they should be supporting all kinds of experiences, with their children when they are growing up?
Nearly आज सुबह सुबह ये बात हो रही थी. So we have
Really?
this group of people who are in corporate spaces. Like, so we have employee resource groups and we
Right.
have all of this. Now this is a newer conversation in Indian scenario. So 100-150 companies जो actually LGBT inclusion, policies on women, on veterans, on differently abled, on acid attack survivors, on everybody who's not the mainstream 20-year to 45-year-old cis gay, cis, I'm not saying gay, sorry, cis straight man stereotype जो employee के लिए employers के लिए एकदम perfect होता है, right? Because आप सोचते हो पहले तो क्या रखोगे, able bodied cis straight man, इसको मैं जॉब पे रखूंगा because ये सबसे ज्यादा प्रोडक्टिव होगा, is an assumption HR वाले बंदे का. और किसी को भी अंदर लाने के लिए कंपनी में आपको स्पेशलाइज पॉलिसीज रखनी पड़ती हैं उनके साथ. अरे प्रेगनेंसी लीव देना पड़ेगा, अरे ये देना पड़ेगा, अरे वो देना पड़ेगा, फ्लेक्सिबल आवर देना पड़ेगा, वो पूरा प्रेप कर जगह बनानी पड़ती है. जगह बनाने के लिए बहुत तकलीफ होती है लोगों को, राइट? एंड that's the Indian truth. So even in families, for us to have the conversational space, corporates keep in touch. We have WhatsApp group with 150 people and we talk about families also. We talk about personal life also. We talk about everything that will affect somebody to bring their authentic self to work. Because employee ऐसे हवा में से नहीं आता, पेड़ से टपक के नहीं आता. एम्प्लॉय बकायदा घर से निकलता है, ऑफिस आता है, काम करता है, काम का असर घर पे जाता है, घर का असर काम पे आता है. Obviously, that's a holistic life. So families should understand, if they keep few topics beyond the reach of children,
Yeah.
when they are at that juncture, they are not going to talk to you about
Hmm.
it. Like for me to come out to my family, I came out to my sister first,
Hmm.
and she came to know because she knew even when in college, like I had a time, because I'm pretty late bloomer in life and this and that
Hmm.
and blah. Uh, I'll be 40 now.
Hmm.
20 years back, things were very different in life,
Yeah.
and I was working since the early age. So,
Hmm.
you know, to figure out your sexuality, attraction, blah blah blah, उस पे इतना ध्यान की जगह सर्वाइवल पे ध्यान होता है आपका कि भाई नहीं, कॉलेज की फीस देनी है, आई एम वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट, आई एम डूइंग दिस, आई एम डूइंग एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स, आई एम. I was not good in maths and science. I was always like, people would top maths and science. I would top all the other six other subjects. So I would get all the languages. I would get social studies. I would get all of it. So
Hmm.
geek, but liberal arts
Yeah.
geek, not the
Yeah.
tech and science wala geek.
Hmm.
I was more storytelling and
Hmm.
knowledge from other side kind of geek.
Hmm.
So I would be studying 6 subjects whole week and doing
Wow.
that. So kids will have very different patterns at
Hmm.
very different point of time. Individual unique patterns होंगे.
Hmm.
आप उसको अगर उसके यूनिकनेस के लिए एक्सेप्ट नहीं करोगे तो सेक्सुअलिटी हो, जेंडर हो,
Hmm.
एक्स हो, वाई हो, जेड हो, कुछ नहीं मैटर करेगा. किसी
Hmm.
चीज के लिए आके वो आपसे बात नहीं करेगा.
Hmm.
टुडे this corporate person who's herself an HR says, my kid wanted to understand if
Hmm.
two women or two men can marry.
Hmm.
And this one had to go and say, hey, they can love each other, but
Hmm.
country में अभी marriage allowed नहीं है because
Hmm.
whatever, right?
Hmm.
But they can love each other. So they can hold hands
Hmm.
in class.
Hmm.
6-year-old is asking. So two boys can hold hands in class.
Oh,
It
that's
was
cute.
actually the query. शादी पे पहुंचाना and legality पे पहुंचाना ना XYZ is
Later.
adults
Yeah.
job.
Yeah.
बट उसको एक्चुअली पता करना था इफ द चाइल्ड कैन होल्ड हैंड्स विद समबडी इन क्लास एंड इट विल नॉट बी अ टैबू. उसको कितना वेट लग रहा होगा इस चीज का कि वो मॉम को पूछ रहा है, मॉम हु हैज ऑब्वियसली गे फ्रेंड्स एंड लेस्बियन फ्रेंड्स एंड एवरीबॉडी एंड हु स्पीक्स अबाउट दिस
Yeah.
एट वर्क प्लेस. 300-400 एम्प्लॉयज के साथ में बात करती है इस चीज की. बच्चे ने कहीं ना किसी तरीके से सुना है इस चीज.
Correct.
तो had an open zone to talk to mother. अब this person's father, like तुमको क्या बात करनी थी बच्चे से इस बारे में, उसको तुम बता देती कुछ और. Father is saying that. Husband is saying something else. This one is bringing it in the WhatsApp group saying that, hey, I have 3 different views about this.
Yeah.
How do I, because as a HR person, I know what do I talk to my employee.
Yeah.
As a friend, I know what do I talk to my peer.
Yeah.
As a mother, I know what values I want to instill as a mother. But as a family, सही है कि नहीं है ये पूछ रही हूँ मैं तुमसे अभी, because मेरा पति कुछ और बोल रहा है, मेरा बाप कुछ और बोल रहा है.
Oh, this is very interesting. Huh?
But a HR person can be in such dilemma and they can come and ask
Yeah.
people who will have that sensitivity and they will ask कि
Right.
देखो भाई ये हुआ और मैंने बताया, क्वेरी कुछ और थी एक्चुअली एंड डेप्थ में इतना सीरियस नहीं था, बट मैंने उसे सारा सच बता दिया. सही किया कि नहीं किया. अब बच्चे का ध्यान इतना बेसिक होता है गोल्ड फिश की तरह. हाँ ओके, एंड देन वो बिस्किट है क्या मांगेगा खाने के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज भूख लगा है, तुमने मेरा क्वेरी खत्म कर दिया, हाथ पकड़ सकते हैं. ओके, 2 लड़के हाथ पकड़ सकते हैं, 2 लड़की हाथ पकड़ सकते हैं, दैट्स इट. तो प्लेग्राउंड में somebody is doing all this, they will say नहीं मम्मी ने बोला है कर सकते हैं.
Right.
That's the consent that a child functions.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you make it taboo today, it will be taboo for their life.
Correct.
And they will never consider that. And if somebody is wearing somebody else's clothes, so boys wearing girls clothes, girls wearing boys clothes, it becomes a teasing material, becomes this, that, whatever. कपड़े हैं, कपड़े ही हैं.
I know.
कपड़े बॉडी देख के नहीं चढ़ते हैं किसी पे.
Exactly.
फिट आना नहीं आना अलग बात है, but
True.
you can wrap the same sari as lungi, you can wrap the lungi as sari, you can wear it as dupatta, you can do 10,000 things.
It's how you look at it, really.
It didn't have a purpose. The purpose of clothing was to shield humans from climate that they can't cope up with and protecting the genital parts.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
उसके ऊपर फंक्शनैलिटी क्या है कपड़े का.
Very well said. Yeah. So then, if there are parents who are watching this, what is at least one suggestion that you will give them, so that their children are at least open to them, and they are open to accepting this.
See, there are many parents who are having this dialogue. In fact, 377 struggle में India में parents group called Svikar was one of the groups that was on our side and that fought with us for human rights part of it. Because consenting adults वाला जो part है same sex relationships का, उसको समझना, a parent understands what consent is. Good touch, bad touch हम हमेशा सिखाते हैं बच्चों को, right? When we are talking about it, consent is a much deeper conversation that we have to give to a child and equip them with. It's not only sexuality. You have to protect them against something which is much more darker, much more deeper, much more pathetic. And it is our lived truth. It always happens in secure spaces. 53% of the boys, 51% of the girls in India officially go through abuse.
Yeah.
And that's the dark truth. And this is physical part. Verbal abuse, emotional abuse, and other kind of abuses are also there. So there's a whole lot to recover for a child, and you don't know where they are picking up what from. What you can do best is equip them for the world that we are in, for the world that is going to come ahead in front of them, and then they can apply what parents provide and what their system provide. So my Annadatta was giving me all the instructions of how the food is kept. But I'm saying this is what we can do. We can always equip them. We can always like this sexuality conversation when we do in schools. After a certain age, obviously, we do it with a gender bread exercise. Google it, gender bread exercise आपको online मिल जाएगा. It's a gingerbread man जिसका बोला जाता है heart is where love is, right? So love is where sexuality is, right? So anybody. Mind is where identity is. So gender identity, whether you see yourself as male, female, fluid, whatever, is in head. Love is in heart, who you're attracted to, who you want to be with, who you want to marry, etc. And what you're defined as by society and not by you, because your individuality is your sexual organs, private parts. So that is your. तो ये तीनों बता देते हैं हम लोग कि भाई ये है. And वो जेंडर ब्रेड पे जब इंसान बनाता है ना तो उसके सारे सवाल निकल के आते हैं. I've seen a 10-year-old child ask me questions out of curiosity about any of these things. I've seen a CEO do that. And sometimes it's similar questions. A 50-year-old who says that, अच्छा पर ये तो ऐसा काम किया करता है.
So Praful, you know what? I have always felt that age is never the criteria for knowing about anything. Now, like you said, people don't talk about this. So a lot of people don't know. I'll tell you, the kind of sexual education our time college school had was just about because it was a girls' school, girls get periods, and that is it. Period. That was
Blue
the sexual.
का blood होता है ना वैसे भी. हाँ, blood तो blue होता है. Period blood is blue.
Okay, ma'am. I have one question from Jaya. She's asking. I know she's a teacher. She's very regular on the channel as well. So, what is the right age to talk to kids about this?
When they are curious.
Huh? Well, come again?
When they are curious.
When they're curious. Okay.
आपको 4 साल का बच्चा आके पूछेगा, hey, why is my organ a certain way? उसको बोलना आ गया है इसलिए. एंड उसकी क्वेरी तब बहुत अलग हो, उसका कंसर्न अलग होगा. जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि यहाँ शादी की बात नहीं थी, लीगैलिटी की बात नहीं थी, सिर्फ हाथ पकड़ सकते क्या क्लास में उतना था. एंड उसके लिए वो हाथ पकड़ना शादी के बराबर और दो लड़कों के उम्र भर साथ में रहने के बराबर था, 6 साल की उम्र. Child's maturity level, conversational level, and their query is layered and different always. You can't gauge it by one single yardstick.
Yeah.
आपको हमेशा थोड़ा सा उसको जानना पड़ेगा कि मे बी चाइल्ड पर्सनैलिटी वो इस तरह से समझ पाएगा, मे बी चाइल्ड क्वेरी इज सच कि वो इस तरह से इंटरप्रेट कर पाएगा. यू हैव टू हैव दैट कंसिडरेशन. नो, थोड़ा सा जोन होता है आपका कि भाई मैं इस फोरम पे हूँ तो ये चीज बोलते हैं इसको, ये करते हैं तो ये अच्छा ड्रॉ करके दिखा रहे हैं तो कुछ और है, अगर हम स्टोरी टेलिंग में बोल रहे हैं तो कुछ और है, अगर हम जस्ट पोएम के थ्रू बोल रहे हैं, देयर इज अ होल पोएम अबाउट जेंडर बाइनरी एंड अबाउट बीइंग मिसजेंडर्ड और बीइंग क्या बोलते हैं डेड नेम्ड व्हेन यू हैव ट्रांजिशनड एज अ ट्रांसजेंडर पर्सन. बट डॉक्टर स्यूस अगर पढ़ोगे आप, डॉक्टर स्यूस टॉक्स अबाउट ऑल द इम्पॉसिबल थिंग्स. Who talks about all the impossible things? Any storybook when you talk about, you will find characters that don't have definition, that have something odd sticking out.
Yeah.
You can assume so many things and place yourself in their place. You can make a character and have a conversation. You can do so many things. So इसीलिए उसकी क्यूरियोसिटी पे डिपेंड करता है आप किस तरह से उसको हैंडल करोगे. इट इज नॉट ऑन व्हाट इज द करेक्ट एज. आपके मेरे ऊपर नहीं है कि उसकी क्यूरियोसिटी क्या है बच्चे की और कब उसको सॉल्व करना है. वो मेरे कन्वीनियंस से करना होता तो मतलब दैट्स अ वेरी वियर्ड पावर एंड वेरी वियर्ड स्पेस टू हैव. नो, वो पूछेगा या पूछेगी या पूछेंगे. Those kids might come in a group and ask you together. If we were having this conversation, what is happening? Like 17-year-old kids a few years back, two girls who know that I'm gay and her mother is a friend of mine and all. Both of them sitting and saying, Prafula uncle, I have a crush on you because you're gay and I want to have a gay man fall in love with me. Now this is a 17-year-old girl talking. Okay, she's nice, she's honest, she's everything. उसकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड साइड में बैठी है, दोनों साथ में बोल रहे हैं हाँ ये दोनों का एम्बिशन है. एंड आई एम लाइक वाह थैंक यू, आई फील सो फ्लैटर्ड, आई फील सो ग्रेट अबाउट दिस. एंड साथ में प्रफुल्ल अंकल है, आई एम ग्लैड सबसे पहले उसके लिए. देयर इज दैट हैपनिंग. इट्स टू मच टू टेक बट यू नो अलग तरह के लेवल से एट डिफरेंट फेजेस ऑफ इनोसेंस ऑफ डिफरेंट स्टेजेस ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन पीपल कम अप एंड टॉक इन देयर वे. And like you said, age is never a barrier. A 60-year-old person can talk like a 6-year-old at some spaces of gender and sexuality, etc.
And I can't really question them because I know you're super charming. You sing very well, and I'm sure a lot of people must be eyeing at you as well. So I have another very interesting question which I also don't know about you, which says that Nishike says, can you share if you have a mentor or can you name him if since your thoughts are so good and they're so clear.
Okay, so Hema knows this, that cognitive ability of a person is 10 seconds at a time that we process life and we choose next step, next step, next step. It can't be one particular thing that is pivot of happiness.
Yeah.
It's a series of things, daily, regularly teaching you. I can learn from a plant. लक्ष्मी नॉट रात को अपने आप को बंद करके सोता है ताकि सुबह ढंग से खुल सके. सनफ्लावर सन की तरफ अपना हमेशा चेहरा रखता है. Its core has a certain design functionality. Everything teaches. A bee will teach you cross pollination of project management ke liye if you want. Sustainability, it will teach you best design thinking if you want to look at a hive. So many things can teach you. So many things can teach you if you allow. And for me, the biggest struggle always is to allow myself to be teachable, coachable. Because आता है पर कितना नहीं आता है वो देखना बहुत important है. आता है, today you are seeing it. But जो नहीं आता है मुझे हमेशा दिखते रहना चाहिए. But I should not blame myself for it as well, saying that that's not what is fault, but there is a zone where I can grow. So mentorship एक single source, one button दबा के, you know, growth is not how it happens.
Awesome.
You press that 10-second button and choose. No shortcuts there. Though it's a very shortcut.
Very well said, Prabhu. Very well said. I really will have a lot of points from this chat to cherish about and to go back to and
फीस निकालो
ruminate it.
कोचिंग की मेरी फीस निकालो.
Uh, so there's another one question saying that since you're doing this work since a long time, I know you're very passionate about your community also. 5 years now. I mean, I think what they mean to say is 5 years back versus now. What is the kind of change do you see in the society's acceptance and allowance of the subject?
LGBT people. Uh, so I have worked 17, 18 years towards LGBT rights. So I would have come out and started being active when I stepped out of college. And 2008 was first Mumbai Pride, where I started volunteering. The legality part, speaking to media part, uh, working behind the scenes, supporting everybody, has been a very long journey. Yeah, it's been sleepless days, nights with multiple people that we have lost because of, we've had suicides, we've had uh, people who have died out of HIV, people who have just not had medical facilities of various kinds, be it TB, be it whatever. Yeah, so a whole lot of people that we have lost with age, with things and blah. That has been a part that we didn't even get time to mourn earlier. Yeah, we could not even look at things. We were always fighting. Like when hospital में when you take somebody and they say हिजड़ा है, इसको मैं कॉट नहीं दूंगा, मैं इसको टॉयलेट के बगल में ही सोने के लिए जगह दूंगा. Until somebody who looks educated and who speaks like me goes and then tells her, Dean, तेरे पुराने 4 cases पता है मेरे को, तूने क्या किया है. I will expose it to press and police sensitization is done. So you bloody undo this now and धमकी दे के ठीक करने के नौबत से, which is the worst way of handling a situation.
Yeah.
It should not be required. And it is because criticality of somebody who is susceptible. If there is somebody who has HIV and is being kept close to such unhygienic conditions in such inhumane ways, you know what it can do to their life in that moment. And आपको पता करना पड़ता है, आपको उस चीज के हिसाब से चलना पड़ता है, which we have done. 5 साल पहले, was also work of a different kind. Today also is work of a different kind. आज शायद हॉस्पिटल में कॉल करके काम कर सकते हैं वो, इंस्टेड ऑफ हॉस्पिटल में डायरेक्टली हमेशा जाके, शायद अगेन बिकॉज नॉट मच हैज चेंज्ड. ऑन पेपर लीगैलिटी चेंज होने से माइंडसेट नहीं चेंज होता. Parents overnight don't become supportive. We have more parents who are talking about this out there and who are we are thankful that they are standing with us and they are doing these conversations. But ये चीजें इतनी ड्रास्टिकली कुछ चेंज नहीं हुई है. The jokes have reduced, they have not gone away. Stigma is internal. आप 30 लोगों के बीच में गंदा वाला जोक नहीं मारोगे about somebody's demeanor, this that and whatever. But आप अपने 3 लोगों के बीच में मारोगे नहीं. आप एक डिफरेंट सर्कल में डिफरेंट स्पेस में करोगे अपनी बिगेटरी. बिकॉज हम लोग ने वो छोटापना पेनलाइज नहीं किया, हम लोग ने वो समझने को इंसेंटिवाइज भी नहीं किया. तो दोनों तरीके से that change is still on, like that I'm still talking like I have done for 18 years. I'm here talking right now on Saturday 9 o'clock for this, and that's where we are still doing things. And it's not.
So what's your dream? What's your dream? Where do you want how do you envision this change?
I don't have a utopian dream. You know,
Hmm.
I have a very clean vision,
Hmm.
of a sustainable leadership, because
Hmm.
एक जगह पे नहीं आती है. You don't
Hmm.
become human for one person and one topic. You,
Hmm.
you
It's an
are,
ongoing.
yeah.
Yeah.
So when you are fairly treating more and more people, right from not cribbing when you have to pay ₹5 extra to a farmer, ये
Hmm.
MSP का जो चालू है
Hmm.
conversation,
Hmm.
हम लिख के क्यों नहीं दे पाते हैं
Hmm.
farmers को MSP?
Hmm.
Why should they sell क्या बोलते हैं ₹90 में मतलब 100 किलो कॉर्न? Are we really entitled to that wholesale food rate?
Hmm. Hmm.
Who's eating that profitability? Who's doing all that? Do we even ask?
Hmm.
You think एक जगह पे सवाल करना है? We have to ask everywhere. We have to ask
Hmm.
generic drug के prices और branded drug के prices में क्यों इतना फर्क है?
Hmm.
We have to ask these. No? We have to ask कि हम discrimination कर रहे हैं किसके लिए कर रहे हैं?
Hmm.
If I am saying women are not allowed during period in certain spaces,
Hmm.
अचार की बर्नी में हाथ नहीं डालना तो क्यों नहीं डालना है?
Hmm.
Actually,
Question. Yeah.
question thing.
Question.
I envision the world
Hmm.
actually accepting when we question each other rather than this.
Oh, this is a very
What about it?
pertinent one. Huh? I really like this. So, and I think this is possible, very much possible, because we are all born like that. We are all born with the questioning mind. And Prabhul, I still remember I was in my first standard and I am a question mark. So I question everything. And my teacher actually called my parents to ask, your daughter questions a lot, and they were proud of it. So I'm happy I have supportive parents. But yeah, I think that is a change that all of us also want to see along with you. A society that questions, and not questions for the heck of questioning it or for the heck of being sarcastic, but question to ponder and see.
Ask and receive.
Yeah,
So unless you ask, you're not going to receive.
yeah,
Ask for knowing more. From
yeah,
knowing more, you can expand minds, the world, change everything.
yeah,
Like inside out, what we say,
yeah,
how else can we do it if we don't
yeah.
ask? You think humanity reached here without Plato asking and without Einstein asking and without Sarojini Naidu asking and without मतलब ओवरनाइट सब कुछ हो गया था. तुमको स्लाइस ब्रेड के लिए मशीन ऐसे ही मिल गई थी without people asking,
Yeah.
and it's just coming your way.
No, I think that's a very good point. We'll take a last question which says, Praful, based on your experience working with so many people, what is your suggestion for a person who's confused regarding sexuality?
A confused regarding sexuality is also lack of motivation to just act on what your attraction is, right? There's too much at stake. अगर मैं ये रहा तो क्या, and अगर मैं वो रहा तो क्या, and अगर मुझे ये पसंद आ गया तो क्या, and अगर मुझे वो पसंद आ गया तो क्या. पसंद तुम्हारी है. Life will look overwhelming to you, but it's still yours.
Hmm.
End of the day, there are support groups, there are conversations.
Hmm.
कितने पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं. आप स्पेक्ट्रम पे कहाँ कहाँ रह सकते हो.
Hmm.
LGBTQ में
Hmm.
आपको पता होगा इंडिविजुअली
Hmm.
आपके शोज में, whether you want to transition or no, whether you want to try X sexually or no, Y sexually or no, as long as it doesn't have something you or other person getting very dangerously hurt,
Hmm.
it's healthy enough for you to try things out.
Hmm.
uh, do it. You're scared of your own body and your partner who's consenting,
Hmm.
or what? So I would say, if you're looking at yourself as confused, पहले देखो आप किस पार्ट को कंफ्यूजन बोल रहे हो. प्रेशर को कंफ्यूजन बोल रहे हो, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को कंफ्यूजन बोल रहे हो, किस चीज को कंफ्यूजन बोल रहे हो. बिकॉज टू ट्राई आउट थिंग्स, a regular sexual act is very short lived. It is not such a long process जिसके लिए साल लग जाते हैं. कंटेम्पलेशन में साल लगता है.
Yeah.
Actual act में नहीं लगते हैं.
Hmm. Yeah.
And India is filled with humans of all kinds, with all kind of preferences.
Yeah.
There will be somebody willing
Hmm.
for you to do it.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I would say, please be in touch with people
Hmm.
who help you destigmatize
Hmm.
this whole thing. The
Right.
notion of you being you is
Hmm.
nothing to be so worried about or
Hmm.
so pressurized about. This
Hmm.
that is created, that's the pressure that has been given to
Hmm.
you. Please understand
Hmm.
that ignorance about your own self
Hmm.
is where we choose to be,
Hmm.
and it cages us. It
Hmm.
cages us in spaces, it keeps us stunted
Hmm.
in growth in so many ways. It keeps us
Hmm.
so it keeps us stunted, it keeps us in
Hmm.
limited space.
Hmm. Hmm.
It does not help us be our true selves.
Hmm.
and and we keep evolving as a person.
Hmm.
वो sexuality नहीं है,
Hmm.
and वो attraction नहीं है. As a person, yesterday if you liked something and today you like something else,
Hmm.
you never know. Sexuality is fluid.
Yeah.
3 साल बाद कुछ और पसंद आएगा, maybe
Hmm.
4 साल
This
बाद
is,
कुछ और पसंद आएगा.
I think this is very beautiful and it's very pertinent. Sexuality is fluid.
Yeah.
So don't shy away from questioning and exploring and knowing yourself and acknowledging your true self.
Like I always say, chai or coffee ka example, right? People see these as two absolute groups of
Hmm.
chai drinkers and coffee drinkers. And
Hmm.
मैंने चाय में भी सॉफ्ट डाल के पिया है, मैंने
Hmm.
कॉफी में भी सॉफ्ट डाल के पिया है.
Hmm.
Some days I've had this in the morning, some days I've had that in the morning. अब मैं exclusively किसी क्लब में अगर नहीं हूँ, and because मैं ट्रेडिशनल तरीके से नहीं पीता हूँ, because I don't have a tumbler, वो कापी नहीं है, कॉफी है of a certain kind, because it's not a roast of a certain kind, because chai has not come from a certain bagan and it's not consumed with a certain health goal, and it's not done for a certain bowel movement. People can judge me for each of those, no? And now equate that to sex. जजमेंट हर जगह से आएगा.
Hmm.
वो सेक्सुअलिटी से अकेले से रिलेटेड नहीं. चाय कॉफी में इतना जजमेंट है, बिकॉज पीपल वुड लाइक टू पुट दैट जजमेंट इन इट.
Yeah. Yeah.
मेरे को छन्नी से पहले वो छानना पड़ता है.
Yeah.
लेट्स डू दैट.
Yeah. Yeah. So thank you so much, Praful, for agreeing to come here. I am so super lucky to have you as my friend, and there were so many aha moments for me. I'm sure it must be useful for our audiences also. Any last message or last point you want to talk to them and tell them?
Be you, stay awesome. That is the only two things that I say to everybody. Being you is being awesome, being authentically you, no matter who, what, wherever you are. The concept of pride, of LGBT pride, is not arrogance, it is celebrating yourself. It's the most beautiful thing that anybody can do. Pat your own back, be your best cheerleader, be happy for yourself, be proud of yourself, be keep being more and more you and not somebody else's copy and not somebody else's, you know, like their rejection, their validation. That is not who you are. So just be you.
Amazing. So I think my takeaway from this talk is going to be celebrate yourself. I'm going to have that written on my mobile phone. And Praful, thank you so much for all the audiences who are watching us for the first time today. The channel is called Lose Your Blues, as in lose your stress. And we meet a new real life hero, and Praful is our hero today, every week at 8 p.m. on Saturday, India time, on the same channel. Thank you so much. Please follow,
Thank you.
subscribe it to get notifications for the future talks as well. Praful, thank you so much. It was so
Thank you.
lovely having you on the platform.